What's up, fighters? Welcome back to the channel where we help you dominate in Dragon Ball, Sparking Zero. Today, we're diving into one of the most epic moments of the game, unlocking and completing the Vegeta's Wicked Heart mission. If you're looking to keep Vegeta free from Babidi's control and crush this mission, stay tuned for the complete breakdown. Alright, so let's get right into it. To even get access to the Vegeta's Wicked Heart mission, you'll need to progress through the World Martial Arts Tournament arc. Once you're there, this is where the Real Challenge begins. During the mission, Babidi will try to take control of Vegeta's mind, but here's the trick. You have to choose the option to shake off brainwashing. This decision is crucial. If you make the wrong choice, Babidi wins, and Vegeta falls under his control as Majin Vegeta, but we're here to avoid that. Once you've shaken off the mind control, the first big fight awaits. Dabura and Babidi, you'll need to take them down, and fast focus on powerful combo attacks and keeping your distance when they charge. Speed is key here. But we're not done yet. After dealing with Babidi's interference, it's time for the iconic showdown, Vegeta vs Goku in the World Martial Arts Tournament. This battle is no joke. You'll need to bring your A game, using Vegeta's heavy-hitting moves and quick dodges to defeat Goku and seal the win. And there you have it. Once you've beaten Goku, you'll complete the Vegeta's Wicked Heart mission with Vegeta free from Babidi's control. Not only does this unlock a special what-if scenario, but it also solidifies Vegeta's pride in staying true to himself. If this guide helped you, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more Dragon Ball content. Got more tricky missions you need help with? Drop a comment below, and we'll tackle them together. Until next time, stay powered up and keep fighting.